Hi guys, and welcome to another falconry video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make jesses for your barn owl, and then in one of my next videos I'll teach you how to put them on, because you need to put them on a certain way or otherwise your barn owl might break its legs when flying off. First, you need to know that leather always stretches more in one direction than in the other. You need to make sure that you cut the leather in the direction that stretches the least, or otherwise your jesses are going to be stretched every time your owl flies off of the perch and they will eventually snap. So to check which direction stretches the least, you're going to pull the leather, and the direction that's harder to pull is the direction you need to cut in. You're gonna lay your leather on a cutting board, and the width of your jesses should be 11 to maximum 14 millimeters. The length should be about 25 centimeters. So here I'm just measuring about 13 millimeters and making an incision to indicate that this is where I'm going to cut in just a minute. As you can see, I'm the most handy person and I'm doing all of this super fast and smooth like a falconer ninja. Yes, that was sarcasm. And now I'm doing that on the other side as well. And now I'm connecting those two incisions. Because the top of the leather wasn't even, my jess is wider in some places, so I'm just gonna remeasure some places and cut the excess leather off. Now that that's done, you're gonna make the end of your jess arrow-shaped, like I'm doing here. Now you're gonna fold the other end of your jess twice towards the inside like this. I'll just repeat that in case you guys didn't see it clearly. Then you're gonna take a stamp. As you can see, there are big stamps and small stamps. And I'm just gonna take this one. You're gonna put the stamp in the middle of your folded piece of jess. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see better. And then you're gonna take a hammer and try not to smash your fingers and be damaged for life. Yes, I know, this is hard if you're a girl. You're gonna smash it until the stamp has completely pierced the leather. As you can see, my stamp has gone completely through because I'm obviously a very powerful falconer ninja. Then you're going to pull the stamp out of the leather. As you can see, I have a nice hole here. And then you're gonna pull the arrow pointed end of your jess through the hole so that your jess is secured. Last but not least, you're gonna make an incision at the end of the jess. This is where your swivel will go through, but I'll show you that in one of my next videos. It's important that you don't cut until the end of the point. You'll see in just a minute how it should be.